Peace and blessings, everyone. How you all doing? This is Ibrahim with the Black Urban Gardening Society. And today I'm doing a video for you all to show you guys how I began to prepare my beds for each other season here. So in this bed that you're looking at, I was growing some Rutger tomatoes in this bed, and squash and zucchini. And due to my lack of adding a sufficient amount of mulch, I began to have a little pressure with weeds and things of that nature. So what I'm doing with this bed here is that I'm covering the bed with cardboard, some cardboard boxes that I was able to pick up. And what we're going to do is literally just lay the cardboard boxes over the weeds, and the cardboard boxes will suppress the weeds here. And it eventually will kill them due to them not having exposure to the sun. And when you're doing this, make sure you really want to overlap the cardboard boxes. And also remember, if you can see some places I have grass sticking out. Remember, the grass that's sticking out will be the grass that will continue to grow. So make sure you're able to cut your cardboard to cover all of your grass that you don't want to grow. After I do this, I will actually probably put down a layer, about a 2 to 3 inch layer of compost, and then from there I'll actually mulch the layer of compost with leaves. Also, I'll wet this cardboard down as well. So basically, when I get ready to plant, I will start my plants as plugs. And I will actually just, by that time, the cardboard should be at the point of starting to disintegrate. If not, I'll just cut a hole in it, and I will plant direct sow the plugs into the soil. The weeds and the grass underneath should be suppressed. I'm not looking at putting any plants in the soil for about another month or another month and a half. So by that time, it'll have the effect that we want. And this is a good way for you all to actually suppress weeds. The cardboard will break down and add organic matter back to the soil. I've seen that the earthworms really like eating on the cardboard, so it ends up being food for the microbial life and the other organisms in the soil as well. So yeah, for those of you all who are looking at an alternative way to do weed suppression on your growing beds that are not active, this is an easy way to do it, like I said, and we'll just cover it up with the cardboard. We'll put some compost on it and mulch that, and once we're ready to plant, we'll plant directly into the soil, and it should help us with our weed problem that we have here. So I hope this video helps you all out. Hope you all continue to grow. Remember, the food that you grow is the food that you know. So please subscribe to our channel, the Black Urban Gardening Society. Please like our video. Please encourage others to grow food sustainably and naturally, you all, and peace and blessings.